Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into today's inspiring story, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to stay tuned for more uplifting content. Once upon a time in a small, tranquil village nestled among rolling hills, there lived a wise man named Eli. Eli was renowned for his sage advice, his calming presence, and his uncanny ability to help people overcome their most stubborn shortcomings. However, the greatest challenge he faced was not one of his own making, but rather a pervasive affliction that plagued the village: procrastination. Procrastination had sunk its claws deep into the hearts of the villagers. They delayed tasks, missed opportunities, and allowed time to slip through their fingers like grains of sand. Eli could see the potential in each of them, but he knew that procrastination was the enemy of progress. One warm, sunny morning, Eli gathered the villagers beneath the shade of a massive oak tree, its branches stretching like open arms toward the sky. He began to speak, his voice a soothing balm for their troubled minds. "Dear villagers," Eli began, "I see the struggle that procrastination has brought upon you. It is a common adversary, but one that can be conquered. Today, I will share with you 6 tips to overcome procrastination and seize the precious moments of your lives." The villagers leaned in, eager to hear Eli's wisdom. First, Eli said, "Understand the value of time. Time is the most precious resource you have. Treat it with respect, for once it is gone, it can never be reclaimed. Make a list of your goals and the tasks needed to achieve them. This will help you see the value in what you do." The villagers nodded in agreement, their eyes filled with determination. Second, Eli continued, "Break your tasks into smaller, manageable pieces. Procrastination often stems from feeling overwhelmed by a daunting task. By breaking it down, you make it less intimidating and more achievable." The villagers scribbled notes, eager to implement these insights. Third, Eli advised, "Prioritize your tasks. Not all tasks are created equal. Identify the most important ones, and tackle them first. This will give you a sense of accomplishment and momentum." The villagers exchanged knowing glances, realizing the wisdom in these words. Fourth, Eli said, "Set specific goals and deadlines. A goal without a deadline is merely a dream. By giving yourself a time frame to complete a task, you create a sense of urgency that can help you stay focused." The villagers felt a renewed sense of purpose, ready to set their own deadlines. Fifth, Eli continued, "Eliminate distractions. Identify the things that tend to pull you away from your tasks and find ways to minimize them. Whether it's turning off your phone, closing unnecessary tabs on your computer, or finding a quiet space to work, create an environment conducive to productivity." The villagers nodded in agreement, ready to declutter their lives. Lastly, Eli concluded, "Cultivate self-discipline. Procrastination is often a battle within ourselves. Practice self-control and reward yourself for staying on track. Over time, you will build the habit of productivity." With Eli's guidance, the villagers embarked on their journey to conquer procrastination. They no longer allowed time to slip away unnoticed. Instead, they embraced it with purpose and determination, breaking the chains of procrastination one task at a time. Years passed, and the village thrived. Eli's wisdom had transformed them from a community of procrastinators into a village of achievers. Their once lost dreams had become their reality, and they owed it all to the wise man who had shown them the path to beating the clock. And so, the village continued to prosper, a testament to the power of wisdom, determination, and the ability to overcome procrastination. Thank you for watching. If you found this story inspiring, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more uplifting content.